Hi, Rob from the future here. Apologies that this is nothing to do with the normal content on my channel. I've just recorded this. I didn't really know what I was going to do with this video. I've decided to put it on my main channel. I've made over 100 videos about Blend, okay? You can allow me one video in 100 where I talk about something else. So I'm going to try and name every country in the world. I've just done it, so I know how this turns out, but I think it's quite interesting. If you don't want to watch it, then I completely understand. The next videos will be about visual effects. Okay, so this is a website called Jetpunk. It has different quizzes, a lot of them about maps, which is something I'm quite into. So there's a challenge here to name every country in the world. If you press this button, each one of these dots represents a recognized sovereign nation, and I'm going to see how many of these I can get. I did actually try this over a year ago, and there was dozens of countries that I couldn't name at the time. I think I can probably do better than that now. A couple of quick points. I might have to Google how to spell some of these. It's, can you name every country? Can you spell every country? And I'm going to try and do it in regions, but I might flick around the map a little bit. If I think of an obscure country that's somewhere else in the world, I'm just going to type it in. So yeah, I think you get 15 minutes for this. Let's just start and see how we do. So let's start with the Americas. I'm going to do Canada, USA, Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, Panama, El Salvador, Belize, Costa Rica, Guatemala, Guyana, Uruguay, Paraguay, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Peru, what's that one? Bolivia, Ecuador, Venezuela, zoom in here a little bit, that's Suriname, what's that? Oh, France. Okay, so yeah, that's the Americas done. Let's do the Caribbean. Jamaica. Would help if I could spell. Haiti, Dominica, Dominican Republic. Come on now. Cuba, Bahamas, Barbados, Antigua and Barbuda, Trinidad, Grenada, St. Kitts, St. Lucia and St. Vincent. While I remember, I'm going to do Sao Tome and Principe and Cape Verde in Africa. Right, so let's do Europe. Denmark, Iceland, Ireland, UK, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Spain, Portugal, Italy, Greece, Montenegro, Macedonia, Bulgaria, Romania, Albania, Croatia, Serbia, Kosovo. Ooh, what's this one? Bosnia. Moldova, Poland, Germany. I cannot type for the life of me today while I'm trying to do this. Netherlands, Belgium, Hungary, Slovenia, Slovakia, Austria, Czechia, Czech Republic, Switzerland. Now it's all just the little ones, isn't it? I'll do Cyprus, even though technically I think that's Asia. Malta. Andorra. Liechtenstein. Luxembourg. Monaco. The Vatican. And that one is San Marino, inside Italy. Right, shit, 10 minutes left. Okay, well, 11. Let's do Asia. So, Kazakhstan. Definitely spelled that wrong. I must give you some leeway. Uzbekistan. Turkmenistan. Tajikistan. Pakistan. Afghanistan. Ooh. Iran. Iraq. I'm missing. Oh, Kyrgyzstan. How the hell do you spell Kyrgyzstan? Is this right? Yes. Okay. Georgia. Azerbaijan. Armenia. Turkey. And Azerbaijan, for some reasons, just reminded me of Djibouti, so I'm gonna do that one. I'll come back to the Middle East. Let's do Mongolia. China. Taiwan. North Korea. South Korea. Japan. Do like around here. Bhutan. India. Bangladesh. Maldives. Sri Lanka. Nepal. Burma. Vietnam. Cambodia. Thailand. Laos. Malaysia. This is where it starts getting tricky. So Singapore. Brunei. And I'm going to do Burundi in Africa because it's a little country beginning with B. Timor-Leste. Fiji. Indonesia. Philippines. Polynesia is where it's going to get really tricky. Australia. New Zealand, obviously. Papua New Guinea. And I might as well do all the Guineas. So we've got Guinea and Guinea-Bissau. And I think there's another one. Equatorial Guinea. Nauru. Palau. Tuvalu. Yes, these are real countries. Vanuatu. Micronesia. Kiribati. The Marshall Islands. Samoa. The Solomon Islands. And I've missed one. Tonga. And that reminds me of Togo, which is in Africa. So let's do Africa. But this is also very hard. Comoros. Mauritius. Mauritania. Mali. Malawi. Get there eventually. Madagascar. What the hell is that? Seychelles. Shit, 6 minutes left. South Africa. Lesotho. Can't spell it at all. Eswatini, which used to be Swaziland. Namibia. Zimbabwe. Zambia. Mozambique. Tanzania. Botswana. Morocco. Tunisia. Libya. Angola. Algeria. Egypt. Sudan. South Sudan. Central African Republic. The Congos. It should take both of them. It has. Nigeria. Benin. Gabon. Ghana. Gambia. Chad. Cameroon. Ethiopia. Eritrea. Somalia. Kenya. Uganda. Rwanda. Sierra Leone. Liberia. Senegal. Burkina Faso. Shit, there's one here I'm missing. What is it? Ivory Coast. Saudi Arabia. Holy shit, I might actually do this. Yemen. Oman. Israel. Kuwait. I'm not very good with these ones. Bahrain. United Arab Emirates. Qatar. Jordan. Syria. And that must be Lebanon. What did level 2? Okay. I did it. That's done. You earned a new badge. 196. What is that? The amount of countries. Cool. Okay, so we've got like how many I got correct, which obviously I got all of them, and then the percentage that always guess these countries. So 97% of people get America. I wonder what countries people never get. Probably all the small islands, I imagine. Yeah, Sao Tome, Principe, Nauru, Comoros. 24% of people still getting these though. Although this is a website for nerds, and a lot of them have probably done this a lot of times. You know what, I'm putting this on my main channel. That's crazy. I never thought I'd actually get all of them. That's nuts. Well, this was a bit of a different video, I suppose, but you're going to watch it now because I'm going to put this on my main channel. So I'll be back to regular content after this. I can assure you that. This was just something fun I wanted to try and do. Have a good day.